Well, hey, everybody, it's Yaya from Conscious Living or Nova Lily Herbals on TikTok. So, back to the compost. So, for the compost video, I got some great tips from people of why the compost was smelling so bad. And it's because I had too much green. Yeah, too much chicken scraps, green, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, even I'm just standing here, I can smell it. And then my people that cut the grass for me, they dumped more green grass on top of it. And so and I hadn't been putting any brown since the fall. I don't have any brown to put in it either. So one watcher on here said to put the grass clippings to the side so they can dry out for a few days. So I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna do that next week when they cut the grass. Put it to the side so they could dry out. But for the meantime, I'm gonna get some paper bags because another watcher said, get some brown paper and put it in there, put it all in it and on top of it and everything. So I'm going to do that because, yeah, let me show you this mound. It's pretty bad. So, yeah, it's a lot of green. And and this morning, the whole thing was smoking and it's huge. It's really big. And then I threw some more stuff on there. So, yeah, it's pretty bad. So yeah, I will work on this compost and get some brown into it, mix it all up in there, and get it all together so it can compost properly because it's too hot, it's too much nitrogen, it's too smelly, and there's like flies all over it, and yeah, it's just not a good thing right now. So I'm gonna fix this, and I want to say thank you to everybody who commented on my video and gave me all the good advice, because I knew this. I know that you're supposed to put brown on top of the green and green on top. I know that you're supposed to pile it and layer it, and I just wasn't doing it. I was just piling that stuff, piling it and piling it and piling it, and boom, now we got a big hot mess. But I'm going to fix it. We're going to get it together. And I want to say thank you to everybody who gave me all the good advice and reminded me that this is what needs to be done. This is why it's so smelly. Because, yeah, that's the first time that I've ever had my compost smell that strong before. So, and because I've been making my own compost for a while, I've had some years where I didn't do any gardening because I was traveling or something. But this was the first year where I made compost where it smelled like that. And I was just like, what the heck? So it's an easy fix, and I'm going to fix it. Thanks, everybody, and take care.